Congratulations! You are all set to register for classes at Mission College in beautiful Santa Clara. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit MissionCollege.edu and select MC Portal to log in. On the next screen, choose Student Sign-In and enter your username and password. Once logged in, select Registration from the portal. You might encounter an initial survey with approximately 30 questions. Some may have pre-filled responses, while others require your input. After reviewing the survey, click Submit to proceed to the course registration. Choose the correct term. To register for courses, there are a couple of methods. You can search for a specific subject or course, like psychology, ensuring it corresponds to Mission College. After searching, you'll see various psychology options. If you find one you're interested in, click Add. Don't forget to select Submit at the bottom right to complete the registration. To verify your registered courses, revisit registration and records and check important class dates for the term, example, spring 2024. Confirm your registration status as illustrated for the psychology class. Here's an additional way to register. Within Registration and Records, select Registration from the portal. Choose the correct term and navigate to the second tab. Here, you can enter course reference numbers, CRN. After adding the CRN, click Submit to ensure it's added to your schedule. The status may be shown as pending until you click Submit again. A noteworthy feature of the portal is the display of your agenda and class load. As you add classes, your schedule and calendar will fill up. Congratulations! You're now fully prepared to register for your desired courses.